Disruptive-Concepts, solid-state batteries for an amazing future. Batteries power our lives, from phones to laptops to electric cars. But current batteries still have big limitations. Their slow charging makes our devices useless while recharging. It's annoying. Their short lifespans force us to constantly buy new batteries after a year or two. That's expensive. And their flammability makes batteries unsafe if damaged or defective. No one wants their phone to explode. Solid-state batteries aim to fix all those problems and truly transform how we use batteries. Instead of flammable liquid, they use solid materials that are stable and safe. You could puncture one without fire. This solid setup also allows more power to be packed into a smaller battery. Doubling or tripling battery capacity would be game-changing for our devices. Your phone could last days without charging instead of just hours. Who wouldn't want that? You may never need to buy a backup battery pack again. For electric cars, longer range would relieve range anxiety and enable road trips. If your EV could reliably drive 500 miles on a single charge, charging stops would be far less frequent. That level of battery endurance would make EVs practical for many more people. Fast charging in under 15 minutes would also allow EV drivers to quickly recharge when needed. Instead of 30 to 60-minute charging stops, you just need a short coffee break. Ultra-fast charging stations could even be built into roads, charging cars wirelessly. Beyond power, size and safety, cost savings are also possible with solid-state tech. Less materials and manufacturing steps could significantly lower battery prices over time. Affordable long-range EVs would put adoption on the fast track. Oil dependence could decline. Lower costs combined with smaller battery sizes could enable radical new device designs. Sleek wearables, thin phones, and lightweight laptops with amazing battery life become possible. There are still challenges to overcome before solid-state batteries hit the mainstream. But the potential improvements over today's batteries are massive. They could profoundly impact how we live. The future of ubiquitous electric transport, radically convenient portable tech, and more sustainable energy are all at stake. That's why so much effort is aimed at making solid-state batteries a reality as soon as possible. It can't come soon enough. Thanks for watching.